New vendors for economic development, vendors for ED. National chairperson Samu Jere is alleged that one of the suspects arrested for attempting to assassinate him has since assaulted his own brother, an act he says amounts to a breach of bail conditions. Serapina Mashkobranyo Vachin's vendor for ED lead assassination attempt. Suspects accused of assaulting relative. Let us subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipinda Mnamobranyo Vamchinsi. Police last Friday arrested the three suspects, Godo Tenderai 42, Raymond Muringa 27, and Ngubizita Munyanyi 45, on allegations that they attempted to assassinate Jere after allegedly being hired and paid $2.5 by former vendors for ED patron Tendai Sharuka. The trio appeared in court on Saturday and were remanded out of custody on $100 bail each, with the matter postponed to January 26. Jere told this publication that Gondo, whom he identified as one of the accused, assaulted his brother Derek on Monday at Haddon and Sly Bulawayo in full public view. Derek sustained injuries and currently has a swollen face. A report was made at the Bulawayo Central Police. This clearly amounts to a breach of bail conditions and he should be incarcerated at the Grey Remand prison. Police must act, said Jere. He further alleged that another individual, Tinashe Marima, also known as Mofo, interfered with investigation by threatening him during a phone call on Sunday around 2019 hours, allegedly brandishing a knife during the call. Jere claimed that prior to their court appearance, Mof pleaded with him to withdraw the case at law and order section Bulawayo. The accused later paid $100 bail and were ordered to report daily at the nearest police station. We are calling on law enforcement agencies to intervene. These hitmen, also known as Bowsers, have terrorized Bulawayo residents with impunity, Jere said. Sources within the organization said concern had been raised over the handling of Mofu docket, which was allegedly assigned to a junior officer. They claimed the national chairman objected, citing lack of transparency, and questioned why other related dockets were handled by law and order while Mofu matter, which allegedly involves interference with an ongoing case, was treated differently. Toma developments ari pomulezi mbovu na comment section meduza fungulo enyu mutudipa msoro wechitwechi. So subscribe or like it on the bell icon.